My dogs are absolutely loving this enrichment toy. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this dog enrichment toy. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Look how cute this is. It looks like a honey pot. So, I'm going to show you real quick exactly how this works and everything that comes with it. So, you're going to get these little cups and these little lids because you can put peanut butter in these and put them in the freezer and put a lid on them, or whatever you want in these and put a lid on them, which is really nice. You get the toy itself, which does unscrew, which is nice. And basically it does that because once you have this filled up, which we're going to do here in a second, you can drop this in, put this on top. Now you can leave it with this big open hole like this, or you can also take this lid, put it on here and close it. And then now they have to try to work a little bit harder to get stuff out. Let's fill it up and see what they think. So for this one, I made it easy. Memphis is going to try it first and tell us what she thinks. There you go, Memphis. She's like, whoa. So like I said, you can fill these up with peanut butter, yogurt. You can make your own recipes for them and then freeze those little cups, and that will make them last longer. Or you can do it just like this. The other nice thing about the one with the hole in the top, you could also just fill this up with like their kibble, and then they're going to roll it around and their kibble will fall out. I think Memphis has figured this out and thinks it's a win. I didn't put a lot in there for her, but I think she likes it. Give it a try? All right, let's let Kira give it a try. Say, oh man, is there peanut butters in here? That's pretty great, huh? Now, this is something that you are, of course, always going to want to supervise your dogs with. The outside of this is pretty hard, so it's not something that you really want them to be chewing on. So once they're done with it, you're going to want to take it away because you don't want them to try to start chewing on the outsides of this. I think Kira says it's a win. And of course, Eleanor gets to try it too. And pretty clearly, she knows how it works as well. So the other nice thing about this is when they're done with it, I can take the whole thing apart and wash it. I can either throw it in the dishwasher or just hand wash it. Make sure after your dogs use this, you wash it every time because you want to keep it clean. Dogs' mouths are full of a lot of bacteria, and you'll kind of notice they'll get slimy if you don't clean them. So make sure you clean them. But super easy to clean, super easy to use. I love that it has the little cups that I can put the stuff in and freeze it and have it ready for them anytime I need it. We approve of this, and clearly so do the dogs.